Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Oh, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go sa party.
Like my mom has it, but I'm all on Instagram mainly.
That's in a small ball. What do you call that? What do you call that ball?
I got many surprises.
It was inside this. Like this, and there was a wrap. It's surprise, but you don't know. I love you.
There's more inside. Ano ba pagkala mo? Video yan.
Drive yan, layo yan.
I gotta drive.
Boy,
I think that was what you said.
say hi guys.
Right?
Say hi.
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 Tumawag sa akin eh.
Tumawag?
My friend.
Hello.
Kevin.
Nice to meet you.
Papawisan ka hindi.
Ha? Ayaw mo siya po eh.
Pero
Aha.
Dito mo. Problem lang yung mga
Picture ka with everyone, dali. Picture ka with everyone. Flex on the best. Smile!
like anyway better because
Pwede labas ng bahay. Magte-trending yan. Sisikat kayo.
Hindi ko sure. Nag-isip pa ako, hindi ko sure.
Say hi! Hey! Wala nang tao dito. It's 8:30.
Ay, ayoko ko hindi pa rin. Oo, ganito lang. Tapos,
Hi po. Kinakain ni tita, oh. Ay, ubos
healthy
na.
food, healthy food.
Healthy food. Oh, this is the father of the celebrant, oh. Joel. Hello.
Okay, no. Okay, and then... Sabi, di ako marunong ito. Sabi ko na naman ako.
Naka-on na yun.
Eh, hindi sila marunong. Sabi mo sa kanila.
Okay.
Ano na? Oh, I'm gonna give you a new one. Did it rip?
Yes, you can use.
I think so. It ripped?
So, why don't you use the rolling pin? You can use the rolling pin or you can use your hand, right?
How do I
So
open
all you
it?
have to do is really stretch the dough because the dough has gluten. Gluten is like elastic, so you need to add a little bit of flour. Hold on.
Yeah, that's the chef. Yes, ma'am. Tayo, taga-ano lang tayo.
Does mine look weird? No. Can you do mine to Gordon Ramsay? Hindi talaga ganun siya.
So,
Fire.
yeah, paying ano, cardboard. Yeah, paying cardboard.
Cardboard.
Show you.
Ito, you wanna use this? Chef?
No, it's okay. Right here. So, put flour, right? And then
Say, excuse me.
you can hold it like this. Look, you see? You see how you hold it with the left hand, and then you stretch it,
And
right?
then you have to like put it
Yeah,
in.
yeah.
Stretch it little by little, right? Yep. See?
Where's the flour?
You don't really need the rolling pin.
Oh,
Or you can also do this, right? Look,
thank you.
by hand, look.
Oh,
Lift it up, lift it up, yeah.
Like that, Daddy?
Yeah, yeah.
Like that. Oh, okay.
It's like making empanada. So, there you go. That's it. Yeah. If you want, you can fold the side, side.
Yes! Sumabi! Pumunta sa ulo ni
Okay,
Leo.
now,
Pass it here.
you spread your
And then we'll throw it back.
sauce from middle. Start from the middle to top. Outside.
Kakainin mo yan. Hindi ko kakainin yan.
Okay?
Joy, pwede ba siyang bago?
Hey, hey, hey. Ay, siya, ano Joy? Ha? No, wala.
Oh, here.
Sabi ko gawin yung Play-Doh.
Game Play-Doh.
Put flour. Put flour. You need flour. Wait, wait, wait.
need it. I need it.
Ah, okay.
You need flour.
Sabi,
Now, if you want,
edible ba to? Bakit ganyan siya?
Oh.
Hindi, oh.
it's chive.
Chive oil.
Wait, if I use this, I can use only the mozzarella
Hindi,
and...
pwede. Yun lang yung sinabi kong masarap na try namin kahapon.
Ah,
Pero you can put
just the
anything you want.
mozzarella?
Nilagay namin yan, tapos mozzarella and
Good,
tomato.
good.
And tomato.
Ishi, let me see. We'll go like this. Wait, too much flour.
Too much flour. You're really doing too much flour.
Look at my left hand. Right?
Yeah,
And then you go around.
See?
Syrup.
Uncle Joel is gonna help you.
You pull it.
See, and this too, oh my gosh.
Mare, ganyan kadami? Or
Because
more?
Tanong natin sa chef.
that's it.
Tanong natin.
Good? Henny.
Tama na ba yun?
No, it's good. Let me see, Henny.
Ikaw Mari ang pinakauna kasi may sok, masasok yan.
Okay.
Wala mo na yung ano mo, naka-ready na to.
Pull it and then we'll stretch.
Regular sauce.
I think I'm gonna use it. It's all beat up.
Can you make
It's all beat up. Okay, anyway, yeah, if you want
Can you make a stuffed
that's good.
Crust pizza?
stuffed crushed pizza?
Keep this one?
Yes.
Your dad doesn't ask much.
If you want, get another one. We have more than enough. If you want vegetable, there's vegetable here. You can put vegetable.
Yeah, veggie pizza.
Okay, let me see. You're good. Alright, so hot sauce.
Daddy will help you.
Here, here. Give this one. Start from the middle, going around.
Ayaw mo daw?
Hindi kasi hindi na siya.
Hindi, pwede yun, nakaganyan lang. Ano yan? Pwede mo lang isa. Dalawa.
Go like this.
Okay, okay.
When you put pizza sauce here, then it's up to you. You want to put cheese?
May night vision ng
pepperoni.
iPhone ng smart ka, ano no?
Chef.
Very good.
Ervin,
Yes.
First,
There you go. Let me see close up. Yes, there you go.
lagyan natin ng ano.
Dali, before
Alright.
dali. Magpa-picture ka muna na ano.
Write your name, write your name.
Yeah, write your name.
write my name.
Gana, baba ka lang. Picture lang kita, dali. Yan, tingnan mo ano ka.
Yan, malaki yun.
Yan.
Oh, Joy.
Wait. Huwag mo isasama yan. Masusunod yan. Ah, ganun ba? Oo, ano yun. Ayun lang.
There you go. See?
Ikaw
Ano ito?
na.
Pepperoni supreme.
Masusunod na sabi.
Eh, sa recreation yun, pag hinirang ko yun, pababayaran ko pa. I like it! Ako si Sarah, anong ginagawa namin dito?
Pay na natin ang walang pala. Ingay na. Kita mo nga.
Baka akalain nila.
Tapos na ang party. The end. Okay, ayan na. That's it. Oh, here.
So, ang nanay ko, naki na.
Bye-bye, guys.
Tapos si Jerry.